Is your Windows PC running slow? In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful command prompt commands that can help speed up and repair Windows 10 and Windows 11 in just a few minutes. These tools are already built into Windows and can fix corrupted system files, repair Windows errors, and improve overall performance. First, click on the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Now let's begin with the first command. Command 1. System File Checker. Type the following command and press Enter. sfc/scannow. This command scans your Windows system files and automatically repairs corrupted or missing files. The process may take several minutes, so wait until it reaches 100%. Command 2. DISM Repair Tool. Once the first scan is completed, type this command and press Enter. DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. This command repairs the Windows system image and fixes deeper issues that the system file checker may not be able to repair. Command 3. Check Disk Utility. Finally, type the following command and press Enter. chkdsk/f/r. This command checks your hard drive for errors, repairs file system problems, and scans for bad sectors. If Windows asks to schedule the scan after restart, press Y on your keyboard and then restart your computer. Since I'm recording this tutorial, I won't restart my PC right now, but make sure you do it on your side. After running all 3 commands, restart your computer for the best performance results. If this video helped speed up your PC, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful Windows tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.